Okay, here we are with Red Ryder and Rosie's litter. 6 puppies. We actually have puppies available out of this litter, so if you're interested in that, let me know. 1 girl and 3 boys are available. So let me tell you real quick for the families who already have their puppies which one they're looking at. First of all, that is Lainey right there, the lightest colored in the bunch. Lainey. And then the other one that already has a home is Fancy. And Fancy is right here. I'm looking straight down at her head in the center of my screen right there. So let's see if we can get down and there we go. Fancy. Yes, there's Fancy. So that's Fancy. And then Lainey's over here. Then the others are available. The girl is the right here. This is the available female. Right by Fancy there. She is red without much of any white on her. Just a little bit. Oh, you're just going to block the white. Okay. Just a little bit of white on her, not much. And then the boys are all very flashy in color. So there they are. I didn't even say Mill Creek Family Farms AKC Champion Line Cockapoos. The puppies are from AKC registered purebred Cocker Spaniel and Poodle parents with heavily championed bloodlines. That doesn't, I mean, as far as you're not going to really be showing them or anything, they're a hybrid. They're registered with the American Cockapoo Club, but what that means is that this is not a throw together a Cocker Spaniel and a Poodle or some cross thereof. It is very purposeful, breed standard, parents sought out, health tested, and high quality and high standards. So they're a great group. This is a first time cross. We have looked forward to this for a very long time and are very happy with these puppies. As far as size, our average thus far is 16 to 18 pounds. However, I do expect with Red Ryder's babies for them to get a little bit bigger than that. And then Rosie is one of our bigger females, so I would guess around 20 pounds for this litter. Would be my guess. Could be a little more, could be a little less. No way to know for sure, but that at least gives you an idea. So they've started on their new vet vitamins, new joint. That's the new vet is an immune boosting for this time of transition and starting vaccines and things, and good throughout their whole life. The new vet or the new joint is a glucosamine chondroitin ester C and MSM that helps build and maintain strong bones and joints. And then they also have started on their multiflora, their wild prey sourced probiotics. So they're all eating food. They are just about to turn 8 weeks old. And my camera's telling me it's gonna die, so I gotta cut it a little short on ya, but this at least lets you see these guys. For Lainey and Fancy's families, they're going to be heading towards you this coming week. And for the others, if you have any questions, let us know. Would love for you to meet these puppies. Excited for their families to get to see them in person after weeks and weeks of pictures. So, all right. Mill Creek Family Farms, AKC Champion Line. Oh, F1 Cockapoos from Rosie and Red Ryder. Hey guys, are you worn out? You just want to come out and snuggle? I wish you would have been still like this for your pictures. You made me wrestle you all over the world for your pictures. All right. We'll see you next time.